Pretty Factor here. Welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing this evening, morning, night, wherever you are? I'm coming back, y'all, with another subscription, my Ipsy. And if it look like I'm in the same clothes, I am, because I'm doing another video. Trying to get these things out to y'all. And this well, the ones that don't know, this is what Ipsy comes in. A bright pink bag. And the bag, last month I skipped because Ipsy was flaking. It wasn't really good. So when I tried this bag. Now I love this bag. I love the color. It looks like an iridescent, like a mermaid. You know, when you move it, you know, it's pretty. I like this. It's like an iridescent bag. It's nice. And it got Ipsy right here. And this is okay. And I think this one, I think I paid, if I'm not mistaken, if it's wrong, I'll put it in the video. I think I paid like $10 or $11 for this bag every month. So if I'm wrong, I'll put it in the video, okay? All right, what I got in my bag this time, I'm gonna take the stuff out. And the theme is, what is it for this time? I guess it's no theme, y'all. Used to be a little theme, but it's not. It's just this card with this young lady. I don't know who she is. This card right here, okay? And you got your stuff in here. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products this time, okay? Check my makeup out. I'm gonna look a little shy. Cause I just got one video. Okay. All right. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna pull out they got in here is the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer, and this is a full size this time. Yeah, I tried this, y'all, and it works. It's real full coverage. I'm gonna swap it on my hand. I ain't gonna use too much of it because, you know, Smashbox is expensive at Sephora. So that's it right there. Excuse those swatches because that's what I did in another video. Okay, so this is, what color is this? This is dark. Is it dark? Yeah, it says dark. This is dark. And it's my right color, highlight under my eyes and everything. I didn't use it under this makeup this time. But I did use it when I went somewhere on this weekend. And it does cover everything. It's real good. And next thing I got is another full size. It's called Sage Cosmetic, and it's a fingernail polish. I don't know why I got a fingernail polish, because I did not check fingernail polish in my profile. And it's this what color is this? Does it say? It doesn't say it's on the bottle. It just says Sage Cosmetic Nail Lacquer. I don't see the name on it, but it's like an orangey looking color right here. I think it's pretty. I'm not saying I won't use it, but I didn't ask for it. You know, this is the only thing that came in my box that I didn't ask for. But other than that, it's a full size, and I will use it. Okay, and then the next thing, because it's gonna be a short video, y'all. I'm just telling y'all about Ipsy. Coming on here and tell you about the subscription, about the bag that I got, and I love it so much. The next thing I got is this Juliet Has a Gun. That's cute, and it's a perfume, y'all, and I did use this. It smells fresh. I can't explain it. I wish y'all could smell through the screen. Oh, it smells so good. And it says Juliet Has a Gun. And it's a perfume. Oh my God. And I did ask for this perfume. I think this is the second perfume that I did get in my Ipsy. And the next thing I got is Sugar. And it is what is this? Hold on, y'all. It's called Stroke of Genius. And it's I think it's an eyeliner pencil, and it's green. I think this is called Stroke. Oh, it's soft. I like that. Y'all can see that right down there. Matter of fact, I can put it. It's real soft, y'all. It don't tug at your skin. It glides right on smooth. And the next thing that I have is it's called Seba Mez. I hope I'm saying that right. Liquid face and body for sensitive skin. It is 100% soap and alka free and supports skin's natural barriers. And it's dermatologist recommended. And smell kind of medicine. Ugh, I don't know. I would use this on my face. I'm gonna look on YouTube and see what this is about, but I'll try it on my body. But it says for sensitive skin, and let me see if I can let y'all see what color. It's like a green color. So yeah, y'all, this is all I have in my Ipsy bag. And if y'all want to know, if y'all want to get the subscription, I'll put the link in the description box below. And I'm gonna end this video here. I love y'all, and like, share, and subscribe. And also remember to push that bell button and make sure so you can see my all my videos. And I love y'all. Y'all have a good night, good day, wherever y'all are. All right.